Big dog autobiography. Made moves with the bros, no choreography. She told me I'm the one, I looked over, said obviously. Then looked up in the mirror like, who the f stopping me, huh? Who's stopping me? Then who's stopping me? At the top, my girl the only one on top of me. Who's stopping me, huh? Who's stopping me? Keep it going, don't stop for me. All charged up, I could glow in the dark. Sent the text to your girl, I think we growing apart. Sleeping with one eye open like I'm throwing the dart. Leaving the crib 100 deep like we going to March. Okay, I pin her on the wall like she go with the art. Trying to